What's up familia, how are you guys doing today? Back with a new small vlog, and I hope you guys are doing well today. This vlog is going to be a small unboxing vlog. What is the product I'm going to share with you guys, but before that I really want to say that I'm so thankful for the love and all the support you guys are showing on my Instagram, YouTube. I am speechless and I am so happy. Thank you so much. And recently one of my vlog, I'll just turn the AC off. Okay, recently there was one video, YouTube Shorts, जो around 80-90k चलेगी, and because of that I got 200-250, nearly 300 subscribers. It's a big thing for me, trust me, it's a big thing for me. From the day that I started the first video from my Instagram, I didn't thought कि मेरे को इतना response आएगा. खैर Instagram पे तो I'm getting decent amount of response, but YouTube पे मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि मेरे को इतना रिस्पॉन्स आएगा. जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट सिंगल वीडियो दैट आई अपलोडेड ऑन शॉर्ट्स, आई गॉट गुड नंबर ऑफ फॉलोअर्स. सो माई होल पॉइंट with you guys, I just wanted to share that I even posted a story on my Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do. All I just want to say you guys कि whomsoever, कितने भी लोग हैं, जितने भी लोग हैं, जो भी कंटेंट बना रहा है, be it biking content, be it daily vlogs, be it anything, whatever type of content you guys are making, make sure you make it every day, every single day, every single week, every alternate days, whatever, however you get time, but make sure that you are being active and you are posting your content on your social media platforms and keep posting that thing. Don't wait, don't think कि मेरे को response नहीं आ रहा है, and you know I'm not getting that level of appreciation with the public audience. Forget about all of that, just keep doing. एक ना एक दिन response आएगा and you will be so happy about it. I have felt that thing, and it's not a big number that I got कि हाँ, you know, I got thousands of subscribers, but for me, thinking from the day one that I got the first subscriber, now having around 450-400 subscribers, it's a big thing for me. And मेरी exhaust installation video पे भी around I got 5,000 views, so it's certainly not a big number, but for me it is, because मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि मेरे को ऐसा रिस्पॉन्स आएगा. And I'm looking forward कि definitely I'll be getting good response. I love the way you guys show love, so I really do appreciate that. Alright, so that's that, and I just wanted to share कि आज मेरे पास क्या product है. I'm really happy for this product that I got, and it's a crazy product. Behind this product, I just want to share that कि maybe you will definitely understand कि क्या है product, description और title देख के. But I just want to tell कि previous vlog में जो मैंने vlog डाला था मेरे बाइक का review, there was a big mistake. I know I tried re-uploading that vlog. I tried to dub that vlog also. मैंने उस पर caption डालने की भी कोशिश किया, but because of the storage issue I was facing so much of trouble to post that vlog again. I couldn't post that vlog again, but still I know you guys were a little upset about it कि इसमें जो mic connection था that was shit. Honestly that was shit because इसमें audio आ ही नहीं रहा था. But I really apologize. मैं फिर से एक vlog बनाऊँगा complete. There are certain modifications that I need to do. There are 2-3 other modifications that I'm planning to do on my bike. So again I'll be posting a vlog जिसमें मैं पूरा modification बताऊँगा. Definitely I'll do that for you guys. You can guess कि मैं क्या modify करने वाला हूँ. So any guesses you can drop down in the comment section below. So आज जो हम unbox करने वाले हैं वो एक माइक है. I got this new mic. This mic, I believe मैंने इसके काफ़ी ज़्यादा reviews देखे. So let me just show you the mic first. Alright, so this is the mic, the Hollyland Lark M2. This is the new mic that I got, and now that I have this new mic, I hope and I believe कि this is going to turn my content really good. So you can purchase this mic from Amazon. और भी काफ़ी websites हैं, इनकी official website से भी ले सकते हो. Let's see. I'll show you guys कि इसमें क्या क्या है, what all things are there inside. I'll even show you कि इसकी audio quality क्या है. I'll connect it and I'll see कि इसकी audio quality क्या difference है. Also वही मैं बोल रहा था आप लोग से कि that previous mic was from Simpex, and that mic is a decent mic. It's a very beginner mic, I would say. I hardly even tried it once or twice maybe. That turned out to be a disaster. Again, that is good enough if you are planning to do a normal reel shoot या basic normal videos बनाना है, तो that is decent enough for that. But if you want to level up, I would definitely suggest you guys to get this mic. You also have an option for DJI mic as well, as I'm using a DJI camera. But then I believe ki this has certain specifications which are really good. They say that this is the world's smallest microphone. So let's see, dekhte hain iske andar kya kya hai. Alright, so here's the box. The box looks very premium and काफ़ी अच्छी पैकेजिंग है इसकी, I would say. So I'll just show you the back side of the box first कि इसमें क्या क्या लिखा है. As they say कि ये वर्ल्ड का स्मॉलेस्ट माइक्रोफोन है. The best part about this, it's universal compatible with all the devices, and I'll just show you the top 5 highlights of this mic first as an introduction. That it's very compact and lightweight, definitely that is that. It has a dual channel recording. It has 2 mics with it, 1 receiver for a camera and 2 receivers in fact, with a iPhone jack and a C-type jack. So box के अंदर ये सारी चीज़ें हैं और क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं I'll show you. The another key highlight of this mic is that the Hollyland Lark M2 typically offers a bitrate of around 248 kbps for its audio. It generally supports a sampling rate of 48 kilohertz. Basically this combination ensures that you get a really professional voice and an output, and it's very high. It offers a very high quality audio too. Also, it has a very low latency transmission and a very long battery life. I would say 40 hours of battery life. मतलब तुम इसको charge करोगे तो it will give you around good amount of 20 hours of each microphone that you can go ahead and charge. We'll keep on talking about the features, and let us just first unbox the block. So there you go. This is the box. This is something that you get. We'll see it afterwards. Oh my god, this mic is really crazy, I must say. Wow. This is the box, I believe, which has a mic in it. Okay, this is a type C port that they have. This is, I believe, the iPhone jack that they have. Okay, perfect. So these are the 2 receiver that they have given in the box, and now let us just see the box that they have. Okay, perfect. So this is the box, and let us just unbox this, and let me show you guys as well. Here are the 2 microphones that they have. Okay, these are pretty impressive, I would say. काफ़ी अच्छे हैं. These are the 2 beautiful microphones that they have, and इसी के पीछे they have this magnetic strip that they have. So whenever you, I believe, you're on हो गया, I don't know why, but it's that easy that you can just simply attach it. I'll just show you. Go ahead and add this anywhere inside your shirt or t-shirt, wherever you want to just put it inside. There you go. Here you have the mic attached. It's that simple. मैं इसके साथ helmet में कैसे setup करूँगा कुछ नहीं. I'll just put it inside the pad, and probably that will be much enough for me to hold this small microphone, I would say. तो ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा impressive है. Okay, so ये box के अंदर फ़िलहाल I got this 2 microphone and एक receiver है जो you can just simply attach it to the camera or anywhere with a clip inside. So pretty decent, and the quality, I would say, is really good. This is for you to adjust the volume and sound of the microphone, I believe. Let's see इसके features कैसे है and how do you use that. मैं ज़्यादा depth में नहीं जाऊँगा because I need to study on that as well कि इसमें और क्या क्या features है. But yeah, I'm just going ahead and unboxing for you guys to let you know कि इसमें box में क्या क्या आता है. Quality बहुत अच्छी है इसकी, and it's very lightweight also. ये जो microphones भी है बहुत हल्के हैं, and the magnetic hold that it has, it's very good. मतलब काफ़ी strong है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा strong है, and बहुत हल्का है. मतलब आप t-shirt में अपने कहीं भी if you just put it up, it's not gonna hang around with a heavy weight that you'll feel that you even have a mic, I guess. So और क्या है बॉक्स में, we'll just go ahead and see. इसके अंदर I believe there is a pouch as well which has, let us see इसके अंदर क्या है pouch के अंदर. You can carry your mic in this pouch. काफ़ी अच्छा है, very soft and you know good quality. Okay, so this is the cable that they have जो एक कैमरा में लगेगा, and I believe there is the one that will go inside one of the receivers, the one receiver that we have in the box. इसके ही एक slot में जाएगा. So yeah, correct. You have this socket to put over here, and the other one in the camera slot that you have, so that you can connect this receiver on your camera. So there's one cable that they have given in this pouch, and let me see what else they have given. ये है इसका charging wire, the C-type to USB charging cable. pouch के अंदर ये दो bags है. This is the pouch, and then okay, that's something that I have just seen. Okay, alright, so pouch में you got 3 bags that I have. The red cat. Okay, काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा है ये. As you can guys see, you can just simply attach it to one of the microphone. Let me show you कि इसको attach कैसे किया जा सकता है. I'm still not sure about it, but let's see. ये है wind cat. You just need to place it here. So probably whatever the wind sound will come. Apart from the noise cancellation, it has a noise cancellation, but obviously, but जितनी भी extra आवाज़ wind की रहेगी, this will just cut it off. So you have 2 of them in the plastic bags. Let me just put these inside and show you what the other plastic has. ये I guess ये कुछ string जैसा दिख रहा है. What is inside this bag? Oh, great. So probably this is just a band that you can just wear it off. I'm not going to open, but if you're just hanging in your neck, you can just simply stick this microphone, another portable string that you have, that if you don't want to put it on your t-shirt or somewhere, so you can just simply hang it around. Pretty nice, like that. We'll just go ahead and see how it sounds as well. मैं मेरे कैमरे से कनेक्ट करके ऑडियो डिफरेंस क्या है वो भी बताऊंगा, so that we can understand what is the audio difference. Right now I'm not using any mic. जो कैमरा का ऑडियो है, जो कैमरा का माइक है, that is the only audio that you guys are able to listen right now. So we'll see after connecting as well. और start of the box हमने we just saw this folder that we had. It has cute stickers in it. Let me just show you guys. These are the stickers that they have given. Don't stick it to your mic. मतलब कोई भी स्टिकर आप लगा सकते हो इसके अंदर, इसके ऊपर, just a funky thing. Or maybe if you just want to hide the brand, you can just put a black sticker or a white sticker as well. Cool. The manuals and everything, that's it. That is what it has. So we just quickly go ahead and see कि अभी इसका ऑडियो साउंड कैसा आता है. अभी तो फिलहाल again this is this mic, the camera mic which I'm using right now. We'll just see the difference and the quality of the sound, how the sound quality changes. So 3, 2, 1. Okay, so अब जो ऑडियो आ रहा रहेगा वो इस माइक से है. So I'm recording through this mic. I don't know how the sound quality is right now, but I hope you can find the difference audio में. So it has a noise cancellation as well. अभी तो फिलहाल you won't find any difference much because there's actually no noise. Okay, let me just on the car and see if maybe उसकी extra आवाज़ में we can cancel the sound out. Let us just see that. अभी फिलहाल noise cancellation on नहीं है, but let me just turn on the noise cancellation for you guys. Okay, ये green हो गया है, so probably now all the background noise has been cancelled out. अभी शायद आवाज़ नहीं आ रही रहेगी. So this is the difference of the normal voice and the noise cancellation. It has a lot of feature. You have an application as well. Just go, you can install the application and do the manual settings, all the stereo type and the other additional settings that it has. अच्छे से I'll just sit फुर्सत से and I'll just go through all the settings and everything. And once I keep using this mic, so I'll probably get my hands on this mic and I'll understand better. अभी फिलहाल yes, this is just the mic that we have tested. Let me know कि इसकी audio कैसी है and how's the difference. I mean, I'm not comparing the mic जो मैंने पिछले vlog में use किया था ये mic से. I'm not comparing it, but we will do that. I guess let's see. You'll understand what a beginner mic sounds like and what a professional mic sounds like. Okay, and now just let me try ki if I've been moving this mic a lot, so there's variation of the sound quality that you might be getting. But इस बार इसको attach करके देखते हैं. If I am putting it inside, just a moment. Alright, so now I believe इसकी sound proper आ रही रहेगी. We'll test this mic while I'm on the ride. इसका wind sound, wind blast कैसा आता है और helmet में भी रख के I'll just see how's the sound quality. As of now, I just wanted to unbox the mic with you guys and let you know कि इसमें क्या क्या आता है and what all you get inside the box, how's the sound. I was just pretty much excited to show you this, that I have got this mic. Special thanks again. Alright, so this was all about the Holyland Lark M2. If you guys have any question, if you guys do have certain more knowledge about this mic, so please share with me. Because I'm just going to research and see all the features and everything. So this was just the connection that I just probably wanted to see how well it's supported with my DJI Action 2. Right, so this is pretty much about the vlog. I'll be adding the stickers as well. Pretty cute, right? Some mood way. Any which ways. Right, so guys, this was all about today's vlog and I hope you guys did enjoy. It's pretty compact and it was a pretty haste for me to just make this video because I was very excited again to show this. But I hope you guys did like this video and if you did, make sure that you do comment, do share and make sure you do subscribe. Once again, thank you so much for all the love. Keep supporting. Also, again, if you know about this mic a little bit more, you have been using this mic, so let me know about it. What are the features, what else this mic can do, and in the meantime I will definitely have my research on. So pretty much that's about the vlog today. Good night and have a blasting day. Keep riding, stay strong. Bye bye.